Hey vlog! Guess whose birthday it is? See, Chowder is turning 5 and I'm gonna throw him a little birthday party and make him a little cake and give him some toys. So I got him a bouquet of flowers, cat grass. I got 2 different types of cans of food. Which one do you want? Salmon or tuna? Crack this bad boy. I shouldn't be making this with him because he's just gonna want to eat the whole thing. Did you smell so good? I'm gonna have to give him some. I got this muffin tin. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Okay, time is approaching, so I'm going to make the mashed potatoes for the frosting and bring the cake out of the freezer. Instant mashed potatoes. 2/3 a cup of water. What's half of 2/3? Stumped.
A third.
I'm so stupid. Okay, that's pretty dang good right there. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Ready to party. Oh my god. Buddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chowder. Happy birthday to you.
Chowder is cute and chubby. He loves his treats. He loves his mom. And he's really chill. And he's also obsessed with smoke.
He's fat. He's growing feet. He's so cute. He likes to shit on the wall. And he has eye infections.
That he does. Number 1, he's so freaking cute. I love him so much. Number 2 is he likes to get, he likes to go to the bathroom with people. And number 3 is he is a troublemaker and has tried to escape our balcony too many times. Number 4 is he's a chunky boy. He likes his food, he likes his treats, and he'll tell you when he wants them. Number 5 is he is a selective cuddler. He won't cuddle on you, but he'll be next to you, and he always sleeps next to me in my bed, which is nice.